Hey, this is Akshay Kumar. We will discuss about the electric current. The electric current is defined as the flow of electric charge. Flow of electric charge. Then we know about the electric charge. Electric charge is the electric charge. Electric charge is the physical property of matter. What is the physical property of matter? Physical property of matter causes it to experience a force. Experience a force when placed in a electric magnetic field. Okay, the electric charge is represented by quantity capital Q and has two types. One is called positive and another one is negative. Here we discuss the positive and negative charge. Here in electricity, we will discuss about the nature of the charge. The nature of the charge is positive and negative. Both are the possible. Then, if a positive charge and positive charge attract, no, like charges are repel. Positive or negative charges repel means that like charges are repel and unlike charges are attract to each other. Positive negative or positive attract to each other. The word charge, the scientist Benjamin Franklin discussed about the charge. Then here charge, the electron, proton and neutron has three main subatomic particles of a matter. Here the electron has a charge of negative 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of electric charge, and proton has positive 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and neutron is neutral means that here zero net charge. Discuss about the unit of the charge. Unit of charge, SI unit is coulomb. SI unit is coulomb and represented by capital C. CGS unit is state coulomb. Or ESU, electrostatic unit. The relationship between 1 coulomb and state coulomb is equal to 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb. यहाँ लिख देते हैं ESU. Okay, here we discuss the nature. Quantization of charge means electric charge is whole multiple of electron. Whole multiple of electron means that Q is equal to plus minus of N into E, where Q is the charge, N is the number of electron transfers, and E is the charge of the electron. Means here N is the 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. This is the quantization of the charge. Here we discuss about the current electricity current electricity. Current electricity is the flow of electric charge. Electric charge means charge move karna, means that here a point P, a charge positive Q travels some time t interval at point B. Here we have positive charge. Let me discuss about the Q, and after time t reaches the point Q P, then we discuss about the current electricity noted as the I, and I is the Q by T, where I is the current electricity and Q is the charge in time interval T. Here, if the rate flow, next definition is so be that the I is equal to time is the clear. So Q, many charges are transferred. So I di is equal to dq by dt. Also we integrates. Then discuss about the unit of the electricity, and another topic is discuss the unit of the charge. Unit of electricity means that current electricity. I is equal to Q by T means that the unit here, C is the coulomb, T is the second, then coulomb per second is the unit of the current, and also known as the ampere, denoted by capital A. Here we discuss the what is the formula for Q. Q is the I into T. And another we know that the quantization of charge Q is equal to N into E. If we discuss both are Q, then both are equal in left hand, then right hand also equal to, so that the IT is equal to N into E. We tell the in 1 second flow of electrons, number of flow of electron in 1 ampere. 1 ampere, if I is equal to 1 ampere and T is equal to 1 second, then number of electrons flow in a conductor. We calculate here, and to find the N is equal to IT upon E. I is equal to 1, T is equal to 1, E is equal to 1.6 10 to the power minus 19. Solve it and find the 6.25 10 to the power 18 watt numbers of electron travels in for 1 ampere in 1 second. Discuss the unit and quantity of which quantity is current electricity. Electricity is scalar quantity. Why? Because has magnitude and direction also, but current electricity does not follow the vector addition law, so it can say that the electricity is scalar quantity. Okay, and charge is also scalar, so scalar quantity.